Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Raise the in-call volume slider and the main volume separately, because phones keep them distinct. Once done, disable Do Not Disturb and verify microphone and speaker permissions so sound isn't blocked. Connect a wired headset or pair Bluetooth. Wired often gives cleaner gain. Then place a test call and listen for clipping or distortion. This quick check tells you whether to continue with software tweaks or to focus on hardware adjustments. Now you move into software. Enable HD or VO LTE calling where available, because higher bitrate calls increase perceived loudness and clarity. Next, use an equalizer or trusted volume booster app and raise mid and high bands gently. Too much will cause distortion. Once you adjust, update your OS and the phone/dialer app and clear the app cache to remove corrupted audio profiles. As you proceed, compare with another device to isolate whether the issue is software or hardware. Finish by addressing hardware. Carefully clean speaker and microphone openings with a soft brush to remove dust because blockage lowers volume. Then test using a known good headset. If sound is better, the phone speaker may be failing and needs repair. If not, reset network settings or perform a factory reset as a last resort, but back up first. If none of this helps, seek professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is intermittent, check for water damage or loose internal connectors, which mimic software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.